Hi, welcome to my channel about Techniek, robotics and embedded systems. This video is focused on my Arduino Mega2560, where I try to control a fan, this one. Last time I tried to get the voltage from the board via USB, and one of you commented afterwards that it obviously would not work at all, because this ventilator is a 12 volts ventilator and I used 5 volts. So I have now a power adapter for 12 volts connected to the ventilator, the fan, but with a control wire to the Arduino. So in order to see how that works out, I now switch to screencast. So on screen obviously the camera, and this is a new version of the Arduino integrated development environment version 2.1, and there are several differences with the tool version that I have had used previously. I can now just click in here, so this is what I'm used to see, and it opens right below, which is new to me. But the most important thing is, does it run at all? Because the code didn't change. And obviously the most important part is, does this fan, following the code, goes off and on, or on and off? And that is the question, and I have my doubts. Will it slow down anyway, because it's under constant voltage? So I don't have to upload, I just have to say run it. But it is already running, considering the power is on an embedded system, and it doesn't do a thing. No change at all. So let's consider port 22 going here, then to this wire, which you don't see right now, but now you do. So to this wire, and then this is the same wire as you see here. And there's absolutely no change in any speed or so. Is it with a 5-second delay to view, or is this just the wrong code? Or can it be undone as all? That is something to find out. Measuring is knowing, so this multimeter should give clarity if there is any voltage over this wire at all. This wire is ground, and this wire is the end of here. I am measuring. Right now it says 0. And then it says 4.85, say 5 volts, which it maintains for some time. Then it comes back and then it returns to 0. But it does mean that this port here, and then I mean right here, is actually giving the programmed output. So that obviously doesn't cause a change in speed variation, which gives a new question: what does? And a drastic change of code. First of all, I renamed this to fan pin, introducing pulse width modulation value. And of course, this has been tried before by other persons recently in GSGO, and yeah, what I expected, on off is not the way to do it. Pulse width modulation is the way to do it. Unfortunately for me, it doesn't quite work that way yet. But anyway, a for loop, and then going from 0 to 255 because it is a maximum of 256, and increasing by 5, writing it to the pin delay of 30 milliseconds, and then the other way around from 255 actually to 0, decreasing by 5, and here you can nicely see that it goes up and down with the values, which should mean that this fan should be slowing down and speeding up, and that is not happening. So still something is not quite right, unfortunately. There are other solutions as well involving more electronics, more specifically a transistor, but also a more specific kind of transistor is being mentioned. I don't know if I have that one, because I assume that not each and every variation of transistor or version of transistor will be applicable. So for now I will have to do without, and that is still not working, so that's up for next time. So with some kind of transistor it could be working according to posts on the internet, and I could try that next time. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by becoming a patron. This is to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.